how to report any post you want on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to report any post you want on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, you go to your post which you want to report and click here like this, and you will see here report. Click on it, and as you see you can select any option of these options and it will be reported. And that's how to report any post you want on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.